This old girl needs love. She'll be taking me back to a simpler time. No, not the middle 20th century. I mean the mid-2000s, when I didn't have a lift and spent long nights crawling around on my dad's cold garage floor, dicking around with floor jacks and jack stands and listening to Linkin Park. For hark, she doth not start. She's too heavy to push myself, and my lift is vintage, too, so it has that little hump thing in the middle. And even if I could get enough push momentum to get over it, it would promptly smash into my steel workbench, because hark, she doth not stop either. The only time I've ever touched front drum brakes are on these old farm implements, and I have a sneaking suspicion this Chrysler has more in common with this Foreman than any car I own. This isn't really a car channel, but let me know if you want to watch me fix it. This video is not going to be one of those videos where an expert fixes up an old car, or even one where a relatively competent clickbait artist yells at you for 8 minutes straight. I know modern cars okay, but I've never touched a 4-barrel carburetor, let alone had to sync up 2 of the damn things. Yep, you heard me. Dual 4-barrel carbs. It ain't easy being a gangster. Vacuum Advanced Distributor. At least it has electronic ignition, so I don't have to learn the joys of points ignition. There's my 2-bit ECU, and I don't mean 2-bit as in low quality. I mean it only has 2 bits. Spark on, spark off. There were only 2,500 of these 2-door New Yorkers made, and most of those got scrapped for parts for the mechanically similar but more desirable Chrysler 300G. You know, back before the Chrysler 300 became the official status symbol of North Philadelphia. This car and all of its technology is 30 years older than me, and I'm self-taught, so this may end up being a comedy. And depending on how those brakes go, possibly a tragedy. Look at this gauge cluster. Every dollar I've gotten from this YouTube channel is going into this car. So I feel like you have the right, nay, the responsibility to stick around and witness the idiocy. Thanks for watching.